Welcome to Brain Vision.
Okay, our question says that computer chips etched on circular silicon wafers of thickness 0.3 millimeters are sliced from a solid cylindrical silicon crystal of length 25 centimeters. If each wafer can hold 100 chips, what is the maximum number of chips that can be produced from one entire cylinder? Okay, so I wrote down here what we have given. We're given that we have 100 chips per wafer. One wafer is equal to 0.3, not meters, which is what I have written, but millimeters, which is mm. And that one cylinder is equal to 25 centimeters, which is equal to 250 millimeters. I got that because 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. So if you take 25 and you multiply that by 10, you get 250 millimeters. Okay? So then the question is, how many chips can you get in each cylinder? So let's go ahead and do some conversion. So we'll start out with our initial 100 chips per wafer. Chips per wafer. Okay. And then we know the unit of conversion between wafers to size, right, of millimeters. So we need to multiply that by our conversion of wafers to millimeters. Well, you have one wafer right, divided by 0.3 millimeters. Okay. And then we know that in order to convert this from units of millimeters, because now we're in chips per millimeter, we want it in chips per cylinder, right? Then to do that, we need to multiply that by our conversion from millimeters to cylinders. So we know that for every 250 millimeters, we have one cylinder, right? Okay. So if you go ahead and multiply all of these conversions, you find out that you have 83,000 chips per cylinder. Chips per cylinder. Go ahead and box that in as our solution.